Hi and welcome to the Unquendor Guitars workshop. My name is Daniel and in this episode I'm going to do the final touches on the body for the Celtic Sonea guitar I've been building the last couple of episodes. In this episode I'm going to make the control cavity covers for this guitar, drill the hole for the output jack, do some final sanding on the body and glue in the neck. So by the end of this episode I should have a guitar that's ready for some finish. And just like that, we have something resembling a guitar with nicely grain matched control cavity covers. And yeah, there's a little hole in this one, and that's for the USB port. This guitar is going to be outfitted with the Fishman USB chargeable battery pack. So yeah, no more fiddling around with 9-volt batteries. On this guitar you can just plug it in and the battery will recharge. Of course, also the neck is in, and I made what I like to call an easy access carve on the heel of the neck, so it's nice and comfortable to get all the way up to the 24th fret on this guitar. Yeah, I hope you liked this episode, and if you did, as always, please consider leaving a like. Leave any suggestions, comments, questions in the comment section down below. And if you happen to be new to my channel and you like what you've seen, please consider subscribing and hit that little notification bell so you get notified when I upload something new. Yeah, in the next episode, next week's episode, I still have some fine sanding to do, and then I'm going to start apply the hard wax oil finish to this guitar. So I hope you join me once again in the next week's episode, but until then, have a nice week.